Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. In this video, we'll dive into topic Programming Fundamentals.
You could have all the ingredients to bake a cake, but if you don't have a recipe, then there's no cake. It's the same way with statements. Statements are the building blocks of any program. Are the individual actions that you want your program to take. Without statements, there is no program. Each statement can be made up of keywords, expressions, and operators. We'll talk more about keywords later. From now, we focus on expressions and operators. Operators are symbols that tell the computer to perform an action with some input. And the good news is you're already familiar with many of the operators that are used in programming from your primary school education. In this table, you can see a partial listing of some operators that should be familiar to you. The plus symbol used for addition, minus for subtraction, and asterisk or star to represent multiplication. And finally, a / for division. These are known as arithmetic operators, as they take numbers for their input and perform an arithmetic operation. Flashback to primary school. When we have 3 plus 2, the plus psi is the operator, and 3 and 2 are the input, also known as operands. In programming, the combination of operators and operands that break down to a single value are called expression. Let's look at a few examples. If we take the following, 10 plus 2, what does that equal? 12, correct. 10 plus 2 is our expression, and 12 is what our expression evaluated to or equaled. Let's try another one. 10 divided by 2 plus 3. What does this expression evaluate to? Yes, it's 8. Now let's look at another expression where the answer may surprise you. 2 plus 3 times 6. What do you think this expression evaluates to? It's 20. Now, if you thought 30, that's understandable. But in programming, the default order of operations is the same as in mathematics. The plus or addition operator, in our example, is evaluated after the asterisk or multiplication operator. That's why we get 20 instead of 30. If you're from India, you know that we recall it as the Bodmas rule. And if you're from the United States, you may have been taught the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," as a way of remembering the order of operations, or PEMDAS, that stands for as shown. But what if we, as the program, wanted it to process the addition first? In that case, we would add in the parentheses around our additional operation, and then we would get the result that we wanted, 30. Computer programs are made up of statements that can perform a mathematical calculation, display something to the screen, or even make a choice between two code paths. As we continue to explore the fundamentals of programming, you'll see just how powerful this concept really is. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist Become a Programmer Full Course 2025 to master programming from beginning to advanced.